बीडी न्यूज।
नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपके साथ वैशाली वर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं बीडी न्यूज। आइए रुक करते हैं आज की खबरों की।
Rabindranath Tagore University भोपाल NIRF ranked for 5 consecutive years। 600 से ज्यादा कंपनी टाइप्स। रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर यूनिवर्सिटी।
BHEL विक्रम उच्चतर माध्यमिक विद्यालय में मंगलवार को छात्रों का अलंकरण समारोह मनाया गया। इसमें मुख्य अतिथि SM रामनाथन, कार्यपालन निदेशक भेल भोपाल, जो विद्यालय के पूर्व छात्र हैं, साथ में पिताजी SR महादेवन, रिटायर्ड वरिष्ठ अधिकारी भेल, पत्नी श्रीमती संगीता रामनाथन, अध्यक्ष भेल लेडीज क्लब, GP बघेल, अध्यक्ष भेल शिक्षा मंडल, TU सिंह, उपाध्यक्ष भेल शिक्षा मंडल, यादवेंद्र दत्त यादव, सचिव भेल शिक्षा मंडल श्रीमती शालिनी शर्मा, सह सचिव भेल शिक्षा मंडल RV सिंह, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर भेल शिक्षा मंडल एवं भेल शिक्षा मंडल के प्राचार्य, उप प्राचार्य, पूर्व प्राचार्य तथा शिक्षक उपस्थित रहे। कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ दीप प्रज्वलन से हुआ। अतिथियों का स्वागत विद्यालय के प्राचार्य N चंद्रशेखर एवं उप प्राचार्य श्रीमती रागिनी श्रीवास्तव ने किया। कार्यपालन निदेशक ने अपने अनुभव प्रस्तुत करते हुए विद्यार्थियों से कहा, हमें प्रतिदिन कुछ नया सीखते रहना चाहिए। परिश्रम का कोई विकल्प नहीं होता। दूसरों का हमेशा सहयोग करना चाहिए। कार्य को और बेहतर करने का सदैव प्रयास करते रहना चाहिए। विद्यार्थियों ने उनसे कठिन विषयों की तैयारी किस तरह करनी चाहिए, प्रतियोगिता परीक्षाओं से संबंधित बहुत सारे प्रश्न पूछकर अपनी जिज्ञासाओं का समाधान प्राप्त किया। अतिथियों ने विद्यालय प्रांगण में वृक्षारोपण किया। विद्यालय कप्तान ने आभार व्यक्त किया। राष्ट्रगान के साथ कार्यक्रम संपन्न हुआ। इस खास मौके पर ED ने विद्यालय की उत्तरोत्तर प्रगति और अलंकृत विद्यार्थियों और अपने शिक्षकों को शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित की। मुख्य अतिथि ने अपने उद्बोधन में चयनित छात्र छात्राओं को पदभार ग्रहण करने की बधाई दी और आगामी वर्ष में विद्यालय को उच्च नेतृत्व प्रदान करने की बात कही। इस मौके पर स्कूल के छात्र छात्राओं ने रंगारंग कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किए।
All the school functionaries, little dear children, it's a privilege and what should I say? It's a blessing to be back in my school and be with all of you. Thank you for calling me here, first of all. In fact, brings me back to my school days. Many of my school teachers are also here who taught me. I would not like to, sort of sermonize or anything. Just like to share what I learned in the course of my journey. Especially addressed to the little dear children. First and foremost, rule number 1 is never give up. Keep trying. That's rule number 1. Whenever you feel you have not been able to do it, go back to rule number 1. Never to give up. You may fail in some parameters, but don't think you are a failure. Keep trying. There is no substitute for hard work. You have to keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. The only mantra for success is hard work. Be focused and keep trying. That's rule number 1. Second rule is be as straight and as straightforward as, simple as possible. Don't try to complicate matters. We are not powerful or strong to manipulate anything. We have to simply follow nature. Try to be simple, straightforward. Your competition is only with yourselves. Your today has to be better than yesterday. You have to improve yourself. Improve in every aspect. Improve in linguistic skills. Improve in your memory abilities. Improve in your analytical skills. Improve in your technical skills. Improve in your behavioral skills. Improve in your mental equanimity, peace of mind. Improve. That's the only way to succeed in life. You will have hundreds of failures. Never ever give up. Keep trying. Be straight and simple. You need not try to outsmart anyone. Nobody is there to compete with you. You are your own competitor. Make each day better than the previous day. Point number 3, be thankful for what you have. That's most important. That puts you on a platform where you can further focus on improving yourself. If you are always unsatisfied and if you are always depressed, you cannot put your energies together. Be thankful for what God has provided you. Be thankful for what nature has provided you. Be thankful for whatever has been given to you. It may be not up to the expectations. एक कहावत है हिंदी में, अगर आपके मन की हुई तो प्रभु कृपा, और अगर आपके मन की नहीं हुई तो प्रभु इच्छा. You have to accept that and move ahead. Try to accept whatever it is. Try to enjoy the present. It will not come back again. Try to understand what went wrong, how to improve, how to correct. Learn from everybody. You can learn from the youngest member of your family to the oldest member of your family. And your family doesn't mean just your household. The school is your family, the society is your family, the country is your family. Keep learning from everybody. Keep your antenna on. Try to observe. Be very observant. Keep observing everywhere. Nature teaches you many things. You learn from others' mistakes also. Learn from the way everybody conducts himself. And try to improve. Keep on improving. The mantra of whatever you call as success in life is not what the society or the position has bestowed you, but what gives you peace of mind. That is the ultimate success. Somebody may become executive director, chairman, whatever, principal of school. But if peace of mind is not there, all these achievements are of no use. So try to achieve that. That you can achieve only if you are a good human being from inside. Try to be, that's what I said, no shortcuts. Don't try to outsmart anyone. Always live with a positive credit balance. Give more than what you take. That should be the way. If somebody asks you कि ये काम मुझे कर दो, मेरे लिए ये काम कर दो, तो ये मत सोचना कि मैं क्यों करूं ये. स्मार्टनेस नहीं. सोचो कि मेरा सौभाग्य है कि ये मेरे को लायक समझते हैं कि ये काम मैं कर सकता हूं. जितना आप मेहनत करोगे ना, जितना आप हाथ पैर से काम करोगे, दिमाग से काम करोगे, उतनी आपकी शक्तियां बढ़ेंगी. You will improve your strengths. You use your hands, your muscles will improve. Use your brain will improve. More you use it, the more it will improve. Keep using it, you will have a healthier, longer life. Try to maintain a healthy life. Maintain healthy habits. That is most important. Try to have a regular life. Eat healthy. Live healthy. That's most important. If you have health, you can enjoy everything. If you don't have good health, everything will go down the drain. खाली हाथ आए, खाली हाथ जाना है. Everybody knows. And human being is the only animal who tries to store something for tomorrow. कोई भी जानवर कल के लिए नहीं स्टोर करता है. शेर आज के लिए मारता है, आज के लिए खाता है. ह्यूमन बीइंग है जो सोचता है कि ये जमीन मेरी है, ये मकान मेरा है, ये खाना मेरा है, मेरे 4 पुरखों के लिए मुझे जमा करके जाना है. All that is not required. Live for the present, but live with a credit balance. Take less, give more. Try to find goodness in your team members. Don't try to find faults in your team members. Better to find goodness. आपको टीम को साथ में लेके चलना होगा. You will always have a team. Be it school, be it college, be it employment, be it your family, be it your neighborhood. You will have a team with which you will have to interact and work. Alone you are nothing. You are as good as a team. Alone I am nothing. I am as good as my team in BHCL. हमें ये हरदम याद रखना है कि alone we are nothing. We are just a very small speck. You have seen a video. Try to Google and search a video by Carl Sagan. Carl Sagan is a renowned astrophysicist, where he zooms out from the universe up to you and zooms back to show how much small you are. That thing you should keep in mind. We are very small. That humility is required to keep you, steady or grounded. Achievements are, just a responsibility. Fact that I have become ED of BHL Bhopal, I have been given the responsibility of being ED of BHL Bhopal. It's not an authority. I am the tenant, or rather the trustee of the seat, not the owner of the seat. That's the first thing which you have to imbibe, everybody has to imbibe. Whatever is given to you is a responsibility. Try to do it to the best of your abilities so that everybody will remember you for what you had done in that responsibility. Try to be just मतलब न्याय संगत रहे. जो आप काम करते हो उसमें कोई भी शॉर्टकट्स नहीं करिए. घोर मेहनत करिए. मेहनत से कोई मरा नहीं है. Nobody has died of hard work. Nobody has died of hard work. Do as much hard work and there is no substitute for that. People may criticize. Take it as a stimulant for improvement. Try to see why, how and why that feedback helps me improve. How to make life better. How to improve things. कोई भी चीज को और बेहतर तरीके से कैसे कर सकते हैं, इस पर कंटिन्यूसली विचार करिए. क्या नहीं मिला उस पर सोचने के बजाय जो मिला है उसको भोगिए, उसको उस पर खुश रहिए, उसके लिए थैंकफुल रहिए. दिस विल मेक लाइफ much more peaceful, and finally peace is what is required. कितना भी मिला हो, किसको भी मिला हो, अलेक्जेंडर को बहुत मिला, बहुत नेताओं को बहुत कुछ सबने हासिल किया, पर सब गए. उनने जो अच्छा काम किया वही याद रहता है. Leave a legacy behind. It may be very small, doesn't matter.
Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal, NIRF ranked for 5 consecutive years.